Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error DNS underscore probe underscore finished underscore NX domain in your Google Chrome here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here at the start icon, you need to do a right click and scroll up and go with run. So once you have click on it, the small window will appear. Here you need to type ncpa.cpl. Once done, click on OK to proceed and wait for the network connections panel or window to appear. Okay, now here's the catch. You need to identify the Wi-Fi or network adapter that you are currently connecting to. Okay, you can go with network cable if you're connecting to it, and you can also go with the Wi-Fi, a specific Wi-Fi, a wireless LAN card that you are connecting to. Okay, now here you just have to select it, do a right click and scroll down and go with properties. So here under the Wi-Fi properties window, you need to proceed on Internet Protocol version 4 and go with properties. And here you need to make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is enabled. And here you need to make sure that this use the following DNS server addresses is turned on. Okay? So once you have turned it on, you'd be able to see these two options where you can modify and set the preferred DNS server and the alternate one. Just have to set the best Google's DNS here at the DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. And go with the second Google's DNS here under the alternate DNS server into 8.8.4.4. Okay, so you can also go with the best cloud DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and the second cloud DNS, which is 1001. Okay, just have to observe the DNS server and identify which work for you best. Okay, so click on OK and then close this window, and then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. And let's if it doesn't, then our next step is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So just simply double tap it to continue to open, and you can also search it at the bottom search bar if you don't see your Google Chrome aligning your taskbar or under your desktop screen. You can simply search for it, okay? So here, directly proceed to the Windows search bar and you need to type for Chrome colon / flags. Okay. So once you've typed that, click enter to continue. So you are actually being redirected here at this new window, which is called experiments. And aligning the search bar, you can see there an option called reset all. You need to click on this. And then once you have the click on it, just have to click on relaunch to take an effect on the action that we have just performed, which is to reset all. Okay. So here, once you have reset it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Just have to try to use it and check if your problem has been fixed. And let's see if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our last step, which is here at the button search bar. You need to type for CMD. Okay, and wait for the best match to appear. So the moment the best match should appear, go with run as administrator. And the moment you've clicked on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes, so that you would be able to give consent to run the command prompt as administrator. Here you need to type a command, which is this 5 commands. So the very first one is ipconfig space / release. So just type this, okay? Simply take a screenshot of this video or you can simply post this video, okay? Once you're done, click on enter and then proceed by typing this ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. So flushing the DNS will help to fix your problem. And the next is click on enter once typing the flush DNS and then go with ipconfig space forward slash renew. Then click enter. Then proceed on typing net sh space int space ip space set space DNS. Then click enter and go with the last one, which is net sh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter. So once you're done typing all of these commands, okay, just have to close this window. Okay, don't worry because that will not take much time. It will only take 3 to 4 or 2, 3 minutes. Okay, just have to finish all of the process. Okay, so no worries for that. So once you're done, just have to restart your computer. So click this start icon and there you can see a power button. Okay, just have to restart it and check if your problem has been fixed once you have relaunched your Windows again. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.